Hello, my name is Darrick and this is my EECS 1021 final project. To show my hardware set, this is the Arduino. This is connected all the way back to my computer. Connected to it is the MOSFET board here, which connects to a battery back here, as well as the pump and the hose and the water here. There's also a connection to this moisture sensor, as seen here, which is going to go into the plant and the water respectively. Okay, my code is now running. It is in dry and running water, hence why we have a graph up here with a running tally as shown below. Once I add water to the moisture sensor as so like this, the graph drastically plummets and the thing stops with the new values coming up on the bottom. Thank you very much. And when I press the button as shown down here, my program stops and the thing closes. For learning objective 1, I'm using a unit tester as shown here that takes different human inputted values, such as different sensor environments or button push, and tests them against the given pre-tested to determine their workingness. For learning objective 2, I am using Princeton standard library along with this API in order to take the intervals, in order to take the array and the intervals down here and plot them onto a graph, as well as clearing the graph after 10 seconds to reduce cluttering. For learning objective 3, I'm using array lists as here to take the value of the sensor as well as the index of I, and then drawing them out below here as in a graph. In essence, turning them to an array and then graphing said array. For learning objective 4, I'm using a state machine to control the water pump, as well as a button listener on the top and bottom of the state machine that takes in the event of a button push and shuts off the program if it detects a button push. Objective 5, I used multiple classes over multiple files rather than condensing it all into one, as well as utilizing encapsulation and data hiding by having different private and public variables and classes that can be used over the course of the entire program and other classes respectively.